Hello everyone, my name is Dehaji Kumar Dewi. I'm from class MG103. Today I will be presentation about English language learning and in development in Indonesia. English language learning have a very important goal which is to understand the significance of this language in a global context and to train the development of English language learning in Indonesia. English is recording as an international language used in various fields, including business, education, and technology. According to English Professionally Index 2021 report, Indonesia thanks 100 years out of 111 countries in terms of English professionally, with an average score of for 485. This including there and still much room of the improvement in English language mastery among the population. Since the year 2020, English language learning in Indonesia has undergone significant change, particularly with the implementation of new curricula and more innovative teaching methods. The importance of English play a crucial role in various aspects of life, especially in globalization, career opportunity, and access to information. As a language, French English is used by approximately 1.5 billion people worldwide, facilitating international communication in business and culture. In the workplace and job street survey in 2020 shown that 17% of companies in Indonesia consider English proficiency an important consideration in recruitment, with salaries for explosion who are proficiently in the language trading to be 20 means 13% higher than those who are not. The history of English language learning in Indonesia. Number one, colonial era, the influence of the Dutch. During the Dutch colonial period, education in Indonesia was primarily focused on the Dutch language. English was introduced in a limited manner, mainly among the elite and in the curtain school. History record indicated that only about 5% of the population has access to formal education and English was not a priority in the curriculum at the time. 2. Independent era, curriculum and teaching change. After Indonesia get independent, English began to be recording as important for this language. The government is a policy making English a mandatory subject in secondary school. Data from, data from the Ministry of Education and Culture show that the appro- approximately of secondary school in Indonesia were teaching English. Number three, reform era increased access to education. The Reform era, which is begins in 1998, brought significant change to the education system in Indonesia, including English language learning, which encouraged access to education. More school and private education institutions began offering English language program. According to a UNESCO survey in 2050, around 2% of primary and secondary school in Indonesia now teach English. Additionally, the use of technology in learning, such as one course and Apple Juice, has become more widespread, providing greater access from students for learn English. The English language learning curriculum. The English language learning curriculum in Indonesia has undergone various changes to improve the quality of teaching. The 2030 curriculum K30 embraces in emphasizes a competency-based approach with a focus on communication skill. Data from the Ministry of Education and Culture Indonesia that approximately to 20 of his school have furthered the Merdeka curriculum introduced in providing school with the flexibility to design learning according to student needs, interpreting English into various active. Technology adapts also play a crucial role with data from the Indonesia Internet Service Providers Association showing that about 25% of school information and communication technology or ICT in English language learning. Learning method. One, communicative method, use of technology, project-based learning, problem-based learning. This method emphasizes speaking and listening skill to real interaction. According to a survey by the Center for Educational Policy reached in 2021, about 65% of teachers this method as in the quantity effective. Use of technology, many teachers integrate digital tool into their learning process from report from the Indonesia International Service Personnel Association. Project-based learning, this approach encourages students to engage in project relevant to their daily life. Data from the Ministry of Education and Culture Indonesia that approximately of high school in Indonesia have implemented this method, helping students develop collaboration and creativity skill. Problem-based learning. This method influences students in solving real problems that require the use of English. Research from the Indonesia University of Education shows that 7% of students feel more motivated and capable of using English in real life situation. Challenge is English language learning. Despite the significant progress in English language learning in Indonesia, there are still various challenges that need to be addressed to ensure the effectiveness of teaching and learning. Here are some of the main challenges. Limited resources, quality of intro, introduced student motivation, disparities in access to education, use of English in daily life. The development of technology in learning. The advancement of technology has had a significant improvement on English language learning in Indonesia and training access and learning method learning, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, has become popular with platforms such as Google Classroom and Zoom, where apologies 85% of school use the technology of support learning. According of data from the Indonesia Internet Surfing Prophet Association or APGII, learning approaches like Duolingo and Babbel are also effective for self-study. Government initiatives. The Indonesia government has launched various initiatives to enable English language learning. One of the is a teacher learning program where approximately 60% of English teacher participant of professional teaching in 21 according to the Ministry of Education and Culture. International International cooperation has also been a focus with student program and scholarships such as Fulbright and outside. Data from the Ministry of Education indicated that in 21-20 around 5,000 Indonesia students participate in student exchange programs, helping them improve their English skill and gain international experience. The interval significantly contribute the enhancement of English language learning in Indonesia. The role of school and communication. Communities also contribute to talks free English class and seminar with around 14% of adult experience integrates in learning. Collaboration between school and communication, such as organizing Luja festival, can enhance learning and foster a sense of together. Chance student success explained the English program at Steng Senior High School 1 Yogyakarta. Number one, quality of instructor. Number two, innovative learning approaches. Number three, use to technology. Number four, community support. The program is also supported by the local community, which provide additional resources, a free English class and seminar, helping students profit outside of schoolhouse. Recommended for improving teaching quality, developing learning materials, and turning language practice. Consolation and hope for English language learning in Indonesia. English language learning in Indonesia plays a crucial role in preparing students of face global change and changing their competitive in the international era. Although there has been program in English teaching, change some limited records of quality of interest and a lack of student motivation still need to be addressed. The success of government initiative, the role of school and communication support demonstrate that there is significant potential into improved English person among students. The hope for the future to create a better learning environment where students not only master English academic but can also use the language in their daily life. Thus, Indonesia can project a generation that is more prepared and communicative of the global stage. Thank you. Bye.